Hi guys, welcome to the video. If you're a recruiter, you're going to love this video so much because this is sort of a gold mine for you guys. As I said, this video is particularly useful for the recruiter and the staffing agency. So what we're going to discuss in this video, how you can track the open job rules in the market, and then you can find the contact details for those companies, especially the HR department, or it could be the CEO or anyone else, and then you can reach out to them to offer your placement service. So you have to have a Clay account. Clay also offer free trial. Go ahead and create your free account and then log into the Clay. And all you need to look is for the find jobs. They keep changing UI time to time. So, but you need to find is the option for the find jobs. Click on the find jobs. Then type the job title you are looking for. So for simplicity purpose of this video, I'm going to place on the accountant, and we can have the multiple position also, by the way. So for example, if I put finance, for example, financial manager, job title to exclude, even the job description, you can mention the job description, the location where you want. I want in the United Kingdom. Then employment type, is it a full time, part time, whatever it is. Then the recruiter, what does it mean? Because Clay mostly track job from the LinkedIn. So the company is going making the post in the LinkedIn. If they have a dedicated recruiter, not the recruiting or the staffing agency, it's from the company itself. So we can just, if it is on the advertisement, actually if it is on the job posting, then it is going to track that as well. But anyway, we don't need to worry about it because we're going to get the uh, HR department the contact details by the data enrichment. Then posting date, I'm giving like maximum 1 day, for example. 1 day means just 1 day old. And then if you have a list of companies, you can give a list of company as well. You can type here, or you can have your own Clay table ready and you can connect it from there. Okay, how many per search, limit per company? So I'm giving maximum 10 for the example purpose. So it's showing me the 50 per search. Okay, 50 for example. Okay, so it is giving previewing the 50 jobs. Continue. All right, so what we have here right now, we have the find jobs, company name, job title, the location, company domain, job LinkedIn URL, and the posted on. Okay. So one important things, you as a recruiter, you don't want to reach out to the other recruiting companies. There might be some jobs posted by the recruiting agencies. So we need to find if there is any job posted by the recruitment agencies. Okay, because this list is quite small, right? So you can just simply, probably you can read it and you can find, oh, okay, there are the 50 companies. You can look at the company name, maybe you can figure it out, maybe, or may not be there is a recruitment companies. But you imagine like 100,000 rules, 1,000 companies you have. So how are we going to do it? So for that purpose, we're going to enrich this list. So how we're going to do it? Action and enrich company, enrich company. Okay, enrich company as a company identifier. They're looking for company LinkedIn URL. Let's give it a company LinkedIn URL, company domain. Oh, there you go. They don't have even the company LinkedIn URL. No, they don't have the company LinkedIn URL even. So, as an identifier, I think company domain will also work. So, let's put the company domain. Then going to continue to add fields. Okay, what we need, If you need all these fields, as you can see, it's very important for you. If you want to sort, okay, I want to reach out only the companies has like 50 plus or the 100 plus employees. This is what you can do from here. Employee count, name, website, the size, industry. This is was very important, and also you're going to get a LinkedIn URL also from here. So you can look at all these fields, whatever you need, you can just choose it. For me, is enough. So guys, I'm only going to do for the 10 rows only. But the very important thing that I wanted to show you that industry wise, how you check it. Okay, this is a 10 company. So this is the reason it has only the technology information and the internet industry. Imagine like there are some staffing agency as well. How are you going to handle these things? Let me show you like one of the example that I have in my clay table. Just bear with me. For example, if I open this one, this is just to give you an example, guys. Okay, but for example, industry. Let me find the industry here. As you can see, industry here. So what I did, you come to this industry column and filter on this column. As you can see, I already filter out industry does not contain staffing and recruiting. So now all the companies that you have, staffing and recruiting companies or the agencies are not included. So this is what I wanted to show you. All right. Now let's go. Let's get back to our old table. This is our table. All right. So I have shown you how to check the industry filters. So that this way you know, okay, whatever the contact details you going to get, they all are the direct companies, not of the staffing and the recruitment agencies. All right, now what we need, we found the plenty of information. Now we need the contact details for these companies, right? The HR department contact details, because you need to get in touch with them. Go to action, uh, find contact set company, find contact set company, save the table. All right, so here we need to give the company identifier as a company LinkedIn URL. So let me see the LinkedIn URL. Yes, this is the LinkedIn URL of the company. This is the LinkedIn URL, I'm sure. Yes, this is the LinkedIn URL of the company. Then what we need from the for any department exactly you can choose. Since we are talking about the recruitment and the staffing agency, so let's find the human resource and recruiting for here from here. Okay, human resource and recruiting. Continue to add fields. What we need the name, the hiring people name. We need the LinkedIn URL. We need their official title. That's all we need. Again, I'm running for the 10 only. And the last step is finding their work email. Not last step, but the second last step is the finding their work email. As you can see, they found the people here. Now all we need is action, find work people, find work email, the people, domain, company name, everything it mapped automatically, social profile URL, save, run again for 10. So if we are lucky enough, we're going to get email ID for all of these people. And the last step is the customizing the communication or the customized email. For the customized email, please go and watch another video in my channel. I made a complete video. There are two ways to do the customization. I'll quickly show you. Okay, we get actually this is the one single guy, one single company. So this is what we get here. But anyway, this is the The same purpose exactly. If you have 100 companies or the 1,000 companies, process are the same. Last company is the customization. One option is from here, from the message, and another one is going to use AI for the customized email. So I have a detailed video on my channel. Please go and watch this video. I'll also link that video in this description of this video, and so you can see how you can customize all these emails and how you can reach out to these HR people. So this is it, guys. If you like anything from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any question regarding the clay or the clay bill, AI automation, please get in touch with me. I'll try my best to answer any question you have. And thank you so much. See you in another video. Bye bye. Chata.